Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your SIM card is not being detected on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. If your SIM card is not being detected, first thing you can try is to simply take it out and try to look if it's maybe dirty or not inserted properly. You can see the SIM card tray right here. You want to take the little metal pin you got and push it into this little hole, and then take the SIM card slot, the tray with your fingers. As you can see, the SIM card is right here. You want to gently take it out and look at its underside to maybe check if it's dirty. If it is, you should clean it with a soft cloth. Don't use water, and preferably you should also avoid using anything else to avoid damaging it. Now once you've cleaned it, you can put it back into the tray. Make sure the tray is the right side up. It will have face up on the correct side. And you want to align the SIM card so that the little cutout corner right here aligns with the bigger metal part right there. Try to put it in there and then put it back into the tray once it's correctly in it, right, like such. Make sure it's pushed all the way in, and then check if your SIM card is properly inserted. You can see so by just looking if mobile data is available to select and if your carrier name is visible. If it still doesn't work, you can try looking into system settings. In the settings, under system updates, just check for updates to see if maybe there's some updates you're behind on, which could potentially be causing the issue. Another thing you can do is under System, Reset Options. You can try resetting mobile network settings, as well as trying to reset potentially device settings, but that's unlikely to help out in this case. You can try erasing eSIMs, which are electronic SIM cards, which you don't put into your phone, but instead put the details of in your phone and just set them. The details on how to do it would be included with your carrier's message if you had that. But if you don't have an eSIM card, you don't want to use that option. You can of course simply try restarting your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up buttons and tapping on restart, or going into the quick drawer and tapping on this option right here, and then restart, which if even after all of this it doesn't work, you may want to take the SIM card out again with, pushing it in and taking the tray out, and try putting it into another phone to test out if the SIM card will work with other devices. If it works with other devices, that means that the SIM card reader on your phone may be damaged, in which case you'll have to take your phone to a service center to have it looked at. But if the SIM card doesn't work with other phones either, then that means the SIM card itself may be broken, in which case you'll have to unfortunately ask your carrier for a new SIM card. Now let's put the SIM card back in. But that's about it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.